Psycholinguistics and cognitive linguistics are two distinct yet interrelated fields that explore the intricate relationship between language and the human mind. While they share common ground in their interest in language and cognition, they diverge in their scope, methodologies, and ultimate goals. Psycholinguistics primarily focuses on the psychological processes involved in language comprehension, production, and acquisition. It seeks to understand how individuals perceive, interpret, and generate language using experimental methods and cognitive models. Psycholinguists investigate topics such as speech perception, how listeners decode the acoustic signal into meaningful units, word recognition, how individuals access and retrieve words from their mental lexicon, sentence comprehension, how individuals parse and interpret the syntactic and semantic structure of sentences. Language production, how individuals plan, formulate, and articulate spoken language. Language acquisition, how children acquire the intricate system of their native language. Psycholinguistics draws upon insights and theories from various fields, including experimental psychology, cognitive science, and linguistics, to develop testable hypotheses and models of language processing. Researchers utilize a wide array of experimental techniques, such as reaction time measurements, eye tracking, and brain imaging, for example EEG, fMRI, to gather data on language behavior and neural activity. The goal is to uncover the underlying cognitive mechanisms that support human language abilities. Cognitive linguistics, on the other hand, emphasizes the role of cognition in shaping the structure and meaning of language. It views language as an integral part of human cognition, reflecting our conceptual systems, mental representations, and experiences. Cognitive linguists investigate topics such as conceptual metaphor, how abstract concepts are understood and expressed in terms of more concrete domains. For example, argument is war. Mental spaces and conceptual blending, how individuals construct and manipulate mental representations during language comprehension. Construction grammar, how language is organized in terms of meaningful units called constructions that pair form and meaning. Cognitive semantics, how meaning is grounded in our experiences, perceptions, and conceptualizations of the world. Cognitive linguistics employs a diverse set of methodology, including corpus analysis, cross-linguistic comparisons, and introspective judgments, to explore the cognitive underpinnings of linguistic phenomena. The aim is to provide a comprehensive account of language structure and meaning that aligns with our understanding of human cognition. Distinctive features and interplay. While psycholinguistics and cognitive linguistics maintain distinct focuses, they are not mutually exclusive. They often inform and complement each other, leading to a more nuanced understanding of language and the mind. Psycholinguistics. Focus: mental processes involved in language use. Emphasis: real-time language processing and experimental methods. Key concepts: lexical access, syntactic parsing, sentence processing, working memory. Methodologies: reaction time studies, eye tracking, brain imaging. Goal: to uncover the cognitive mechanisms underlying language comprehension, production, and acquisition. Cognitive linguistics. Focus: cognitive foundations of language structure and meaning. Emphasis: conceptual systems, mental representations, and experience. Key concepts: conceptual metaphor, mental spaces, construction grammar, cognitive semantics. Methodologies: corpus analysis, cross-linguistic comparisons, introspective judgments. Goal: to provide a cognitively grounded account of language structure and meaning. Consider the sentence, "The lawyer hammered the witness with questions." From a psycholinguistic perspective, researchers might investigate how individuals process the ambiguous verb hammered, which can be interpreted literally or figuratively. The role of context in resolving the ambiguity, such as the presence of legal terms like lawyer and witness. The neural activation patterns associated with processing the sentence using fMRI or EEG. From a cognitive linguistic perspective, researchers might focus on the conceptual metaphor "argument is war," the figurative use of "hammered," the mental spaces and conceptual blending involved in understanding the sentence, where the lawyer is seen as an attacker and the witness as a target, the role of embodied experiences in shaping the conceptualization of arguments as physical confrontations. In summary, psycholinguistics delves into the mental mechanisms of language processing, while cognitive linguistics explores the cognitive underpinnings of language structure and meaning. While distinct, these fields often intersect, contributing to a richer understanding of the complex interplay between language, cognition, and experience. If today's video sparked your curiosity, why not share it? Together, we can make the world a little more linguistically informed. See you next time.